Hey guys, so getting ready for surgery, which I have to be there in like 2 hours, and then it's gonna be at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. By the way, horrible freaking time to have surgery at 2 p.m. because you cannot eat anything, you cannot drink anything. It's midnight, so that's a long time. And I'm so craving some breakfast right now. You have no idea, but it is what it is, and I have to wait. So it's a hernia surgery, so everything hopefully will go okay. Um, I just don't know how much pain I'll be afterwards, but I'll certainly let you know. Probably a lot, but according to my doctor, anyways. And not sure how long it will take for recovery. We'll see, you know? It is what it is, as they say, but at least getting one more problem taken care of, so there's that. Looking forward to it, at least to not have to deal with that problem anymore or risk having an emergency surgery. So this one's scheduled, so it's always better to be scheduled than emergency. And yeah, don't like surgeries, but sometimes they're necessary. And it's laparoscopic. Yeah, so like 3 incisions over here to the side. Um, we'll see. They're gonna fill me up with gas so they can work inside there, I suppose. And those are always painful after. And they're probably gonna have me walking as soon as I can. So I'll probably be doing that. I'll keep you guys posted. Take care. Wish me luck.